All right, well, we're not riding this one, but at least there's two more. They're KONE, so I'm sure one of them works. Oh, it's this one.
Yeah, these were definitely Westy originally.
I think the bottoms are on.
That makes sense. So let's just go for 3.
Doors are definitely original.
Go down to B. And then 1968 birth certificate.
Okay, so these could have had Type A originally.
Yeah.
I thought it was early. Whoa. Okay.
We'll try to get the other one. This thing's just barely too busy for me to film easily. I'll take this down to P.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try to get a round trip. Nope.
Take it off here.
Nope. Let's go. Alright.
There's a security guard, like 2 of them right outside the elevators.
Yeah.
So I say let's get out of here.
I'm gonna try for a round trip on this.
Alright, I'm just gonna wait right here.
Okay. Yeah, forget it.